What's up guys? In this short tutorial I will show you how to improve your aim for playing Free Fire on your handheld device. So first of all, to make a better demonstration I am using an Android simulator. Open up the game and head to your settings by clicking on this gear icon. Here, navigate to the sensitivity tab and adjust your sensitivity. I felt like my sensitivity was too low, so I put the general slider to 64. I suggest you to play around with these values until it works best for you. Next, open up the Controls tab. Here you can change your aim precision, how your left fire works and much more. Most importantly, you can customize your heads-up display. Select Custom HUD. Here you can change the location, transparency and size of any button. To change the location, simply select it and drag it somewhere else. This makes it easy for any device and any hand size to get full use of the controls. Don't forget to save your changes. Also, if you encounter low performance on your device, then I suggest you to set your graphics settings to smooth in the basic tab. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.